Hello everyone, here I am Tirtha Raj to welcome you in my next video on Photoshop. In this video I'll be trying to provide you a detailed knowledge of tool menu, especially move and selection tool, and practicing all the tool to understand how they work. Before we go into the lecture, I request you to download the Photoshop file from the link in the description and also in the comment box. Copy the link from the comment box and now get here, Control B, paste it here and just enter. You will get the PSD Photoshop document file, and just here is a symbol of download. Just click here and download the file. Now after the download, just launch the Photoshop and open the downloaded file. For that, click in the file option in the menu bar and now click in the open button and now select the file that you want to open. Okay, you'll get the file opened here. Before going into the tool menu, I want to introduce the very important knowledge about Photoshop. That is, Photoshop is a layer-based software. So each and every object you are seeing in this work area, rectangle, triangle and circle, are drawn in the different layers. Just like, for example, the blue circle is on the layer named shape 3, yellow triangle is on the layer named shape 2, and red rectangle is on the layer named shape 1. I will suggest you for using the new layer for making changes so that you'll easily undo your changes just by clicking or deleting the entire layer. Sometime what happens in the Photoshop is you'll not get too much undo and you'll mess up with it and you want to go back, but there is not an option. In this time you can just delete entire layer and get back to the work. So make habit of working in new layer. Now let's go to the tool menu and start with the move tool. Click on the move tool here and get your attention in the right side top corner of your screen and your left side top of the window. You can see auto select option there. Yeah, this option, if ticked or selected, will help you to select the layer automatically just by clicking on them. Look here, the example. What actually it does is when I just hover here and just click on the object, it gets auto selected, and if I get this, the triangle layer got selected. If I got this, the circle layer shape 3 got selected. Look at here. Make your concern here. Shape 3 got selected. When I click on here in a triangle, look, shape 2 got selected. When I click here in the rectangle, the shape 1 got selected. And now what if we just untick or unselect that option? You have to do extra effort to select. Look the example here. So if we just go and unclick it and auto select is off, so now look the shape 1, and if I click on shape 2 or triangle, not the option that got selected. We have to select on just by right clicking and shape 2 like this, or by just here going here and clicking on the shapes we get selected. So I suggest you here for this lecture, just click on the auto select, so it will be easy to understand or easy to select, or also to save the time. So go here and understand the move tool. Move tool helps us to move the object. You can move here and all the work area. just like here. And next, look, this got selected and you can move here, look like this, just like. And if you want to move the triangle, click on it and move this, it goes behind because the layer is just before the shape 3. So this was, and if you can make one to like this, and if you want to make like this, anything you can make on it, make it. So that's I hope you understand the move tool just helps in moving. And go to the next tool. It is a selection tool actually, and here are four options: rectangular, elliptical, single row, and single column marquee tool. All are the same, they work as the same one, only the difference is, look at the first one, rectangular marquee tool. It helps us if you go here and just do this. Look, this now the layer shape 3 was selected, layer shape 3 was selected, so we have to work on here, and just in the layer 3 is a blue circle. So the option was here and we select the blue, and the portion of blue circle got selected. Now if we can, even we can delete it, so the portion got deleted, or Control Z, or we can just select a move tool and just move that portion of the circle from here to this one. Okay, this one, no, okay, this one, or this one, anywhere, make it like this. Okay, so I hope you understand this rectangular marquee tool helps us to select a rectangular way. If you click on rectangle, it will help in selecting in like this rectangular selection. It will create a rectangular selection. And let's go without doing a late, going to the elliptical marquee tool. It is we can say the circle marquee tool, so it will help us to form a circle here, so we can, it will be easy to select the circular object in the working area like this. If we select this, and we can delete it, or we can Control Z, Control Alt Z for more undo, and just selecting a move tool here, and we can move it. Look, we can move it anywhere, just like by selecting a layer. If there are lots more things in the same layer, we can Control Alt D, Control D to deselect, and we can look here, this portion, and we go to the move tool, and we can select this way. Look, we can make it become a moon, half moon, and Control Z and Control Z and Control D. That's why let's finish. And next go let's go to the next one. There is an option is a single row marquee tool. Then look, only a row got selected here. There is next option, single column, and the single column will select the single column here, look like this. If we just delete it, look, if you just here, look, the some part of blue one will got deleted, and also the same things happen. And let's go to the next tool, that was Lasso Tool. There are three Lasso tool. One is Lasso Tool, second one is Polygonal Lasso Tool, and Magnetic Lasso Tool. So start from Lasso Tool here. First of Control D to select all, and Control Z, again Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z. Everything fine. We comes to the previous version. So now use the lasso. Lasso means it will give you the entirely free to move. How you want to select this portion, look, as a drawing you can select someone, and you can just, the same thing we did before works here. If we want to move this one from this this part from this circle, we can move it, or we can delete it. Control Z, Control Alt Z, same as the via selection tool. And now, yes, next option is Polygonal Lasso tool, and here Polygonal Lasso to work. Polygonal Lasso tool, how it work? It was simple different. You have to click here, one in the one side. Again, the next you want to make here this. Okay, you want to this, you want this, and you want this. Then double click there, just to finish the selection. Finish your work and make selection. You have to double click there, and you'll get the same. You want to delete if you want to move, select the move tool, and just you can move it the same as before. And the next one, there is a magnetic lasso tool. What? Yes, it magnetic. Oh, magnet, it works like a magnet. If you want to get this one, so it will simply attract here the shape, heart shape, the color, and it will make easy to select, and double click, you'll get the selection. So magnetic will just like a magnet, it will attract to us the hard shapes, so it will make us to select in an easy way. So again, control deselect D, and I hope you will understand the selection tools and move tool. Now there is a next selection tool. That was quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Let's go quick selection tool here, and yeah, what actually do quick? Just click on red portion and it will select quickly. Look, it will have so faster. But it will work in if you merge every layer here. Just here click on the save 3 and click Alt Shift Control and E, you'll get the new layer. And if you want to work with this here, you can see the difference. If you want to quick select this white portion here, look, you get the every white easily selected. You have to take this, and yeah, look, only the portion, just I want to delete it, and look here, every white I delete. It helps in such a way to remove the background and other your creative works. You can show your creativity according to your will by using this tool. And I want to go Control Z and Control Z and Control Z and Control Z, as I got in the previous version here. And now the next thing in the selection tool is a magic wand tool. What actually magic? Yeah, we all want to see magic here. And same as if you click on the red, it will select all red here. If you select all red, we have to merge it because it will not work in like the same in this way. So Control Shift Alt and E in the single press. So now Control D, and now you want to select the yellow the all object with a one color, just like a red color. Look here, and you click on red, the whole red got selected. If you go here, blue, yeah, now blue, if you want to select blue, click on blue, and all the blue portion got selected. In the similar way, magic tool select the same color. If you click on this the color pixel, and the whole, it will search the work area the same pixel color and make selected. It will work in the single color selection. So here we get all the selection and move tool. So we'll also describing the other tools in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm waiting for your feedback in the comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you very much.